Just another pro tip from hunterindustries.com site. This is the sprinkler zone calculator, and I'm proud to say that I actually had a hand in the development of this tool. Um, this tool is basically set up to be able to help you calculate your sprinkler heads that you need to use on a zone, or how many you can put on a zone. Let's calculate the system capacity real quick to see how many heads we could be, or how many GPM we have. I'm going to go with a let's say 85 psi water meter size. Let's see, 5/8, 3/4 inch service line, and we'll even leave it at copper line. And it says that we could do 10 gallons a minute. We're going to go ahead and use that, and then we're going to leave it at the best practice of only using 75%, and that will automatically deduct a portion of that, so that we only have 7.5 GPM available to be able to stay within that standard practice. And now that that's done, we can start calculating heads. And if we were to go to, say, this is one of my design tools that I've got at sprinklersystemcalculator.com. This tool, basically, I just showed a simple layout of 10-foot heads. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters and 2 halves. That would be in a 10-foot by 20-foot section. So let's say we wanted to put that in this tool to see if we could do that at this 7.5 gallons per minute for this zone. And I'm going to go ahead and use the Pro High Efficiency nozzles. Here's the 10-footers. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. And it is, we actually use 3.8 GPM to be able to make that zone. So that means that we have 4.02 GPM left available. So that will give us the total of what's available if you wanted to add additional heads, or extend the zone out to a different area. Or if that is everything you need, then that tells you that specific zone is going to be 3.48 GPM, and that you can build based upon that calculation. This is just another pro tip, and I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.